Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to show you a simple three-step process to adjust the parking brake on your Corvette. To do this job, you'll need a pair of pliers to hold the cable to stop it from rotating, and you'll need two open-end wrenches. The first step in the process is to raise the parking brake 2 notches. The second step in the process is to tighten the equalizer cable that goes to both rear wheels. And you do that by tightening the rear nut. It's a 1/2 inch nut, and moving it towards the front of the car. In order to do that, you'll need two 1/2 inch open-end wrenches. You can see right now approximately where it is. I will put the camera down and I will tighten this up and show you the difference in the next view. To tighten the brake, you need to move the 2 nuts towards the front of the vehicle. This will tighten the equalizer cable which goes to both of the rear cylinders. In order to do that, you take a pair of pliers and hold the hex end of this part of the cable right here, and then with a 1/2 inch open end wrench you move the nuts towards the front. So since I need 2 hands to do that, I will do that off camera and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. As you can see now, the 2 nuts are now centered on the threaded rod. So it's moved about half inch to 3/4 of an inch on the rod between the 2 ends here. So we'll check it topside to make sure that the brake now actuates better and provides a bit of tightness. The true test will of course be taking the car out and testing it with the parking brake to see if the car rolls backwards anymore. Inside the passenger compartment, we now can actuate the parking brake handle. I can tell you just from touch and feel, the brake is engaging much sooner. The brake used to come up to where my finger is in the past, so it's significantly tighter. Again, the true test will be taking it out and seeing if the car rolls backwards. Okay, brake is not on. I'm on a slight incline. If I look out the window and take the foot off the brake, put it in neutral, it's not going backwards. Let me put it in gear and then get it rolling. Okay, now it's in neutral. Rolling on its own. Not a very steep hill. Try it one more time. Oh. Brake may be a little too tight. Okay, now it's rolling on its own. Yeah. One more time. In neutral. Tighten it up. Great. Okay. Brake lights up. Brakelets on, brakelets off. All right, I think it's all right.